Bachelor of Medical Science program is designed to prepare professional practitioners in allied health disciplines. The program contains two majors, namely Basic Medical Sciences and Forensic Science. Graduates majoring in Basic Medical Science will become eligible to enter medicine, dentistry, chiropractic, or even Chinese medicine and veterinary science in the region or overseas. They may also pursue postgraduate degrees to enter academic careers. Opportunities for forensic science graduates will be available at the Hong Kong Police Force, the fire services, and relevant government departments, as well as local laboratories.
我選擇東華學院嘅醫療科學課程，其實係因為我由細個開始咧就想加入醫療嘅行業。透過咗參加唔同嘅活動、講座，甚至去到英國交流咧，就令到我揾翻自己嘅理想同目標，就係想成為一位物理治療師。而基礎醫療科學就係一個可以銜接到唔同專業醫學課程嘅學科。亦都因為咁，我可以成功報讀到英國嘅物理治療系，繼續進修，達成我想加入醫療行列嘅理想。
我主修 Forensic Science， 因為我對透過科學揾出真相好有興趣。呢一科令我學到分析血液、物件，例如子彈，將案件重組，仲培養到我嘅觀察力同埋分析能力。將來我哋可以加入警隊、公證行同埋化驗所等，發揮所長。